Hello, all, and welcome to Boost Your Career, the place where you learn the skills to grow in your career. In today's video, we are going to learn an interesting formula on VLOOKUP, and that is double VLOOKUP. We all know that in VLOOKUP, we need a unique value to extract the corresponding value from the master database. So we should have a unique value, and that master database also should have the unique value. But what if that master database do not have that unique value, but that unique value's corresponding value is contained in some other master data? For example, here is the database of employee names and their sales commission. What we want to extract? We want to extract the commission for these employee IDs. Now here the employee ID is given to us, and that employee IDs does not contain in the master database from where we want to extract the commission. But we have another database with us where employee IDs and the corresponding names for the employees are given. So in this case, if you want to extract the commission from this database, first we need to extract their corresponding name for these employee IDs from this master database, and that employee name will be used as lookup value, that means unique value, to extract the commission from this database. So this is a very simple database that I am using here for the explanation. But when you actually work on the big databases, this is very important for us to know how to handle this kind of a situation. So here we can put the two VLOOKUP formula separately and then get the commission. For example, in this separate column we can extract the corresponding employee name for these employee IDs from this database in this cell, and once we get the names of these corresponding employee IDs in this cell, we can use this name as a lookup value to extract the commission from this database. But that will be time consuming, and as a smart data analyst we should know how to use double VLOOKUP formula in this case. So let us go ahead and learn how to use double VLOOKUP formula. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to put a single normal VLOOKUP formula, I have made a separate video on that. Please go ahead and check that. So let us go ahead and learn double VLOOKUP formula. So first of all, we will extract the name of the employees over here, and that name of the employee will be used as a lookup value to extract the corresponding commission from this database. So first of all, we are going to use the VLOOKUP formula tab. Okay, now the lookup value. Now the lookup value that we want to use for this formula to get the corresponding commission is the name, but the name is not there with us. So we will be extracting the name by using different VLOOKUP formula. So we will be using VLOOKUP inside VLOOKUP again. So to get the lookup value, that means the name of the employee, we are going to use another VLOOKUP formula. So VLOOKUP tab. Now for this VLOOKUP, we are going to use the lookup value as this employee ID. That means first we will be extracting the employee name for corresponding employee ID from the other database, and that will be used as a lookup value for this lookup formula, VLOOKUP formula. So lookup value is this employee ID which we want to extract the corresponding name. So comma table array. Table array is now different database from where we need to extract the corresponding name of the employee for this corresponding employee ID. So I'll go ahead and select these two columns, especially these two columns, because from here only I'm going to extract the corresponding name. So I selected the table array for employee ID, employee name, and lock this table because I want to copy the formula down. So I lock this cell using function key F4 and then comma. Now we are extracting the name for the corresponding employee ID. So we are in the first VLOOKUP formula, comma. Then what is it asking here? You see, it is asking column index number. So to extract the name, the column index number for this database is, this is the first column and then this is the second column. So column index number is 2 and we want to extract the exact value, so 0. So my first VLOOKUP formula is complete now. What is that says? That it will extract the name for the corresponding employee ID for me. Now this VLOOKUP formula I will complete. Now this particular VLOOKUP formula, that it means the name of the employee will act as a lookup value for my other VLOOKUP formula. So here I will put comma. So table array. Now I will go here again. Now my first VLOOKUP formula is complete, where I extracted the name of the corresponding employee ID. This employee ID, then the name will be extracted and that will be used for to extract the commission for the second VLOOKUP formula. So I will go ahead and select the table array for my second VLOOKUP formula. Table array, that means I want to extract the commission now with the help of name which is already extracted from the other VLOOKUP formula. So I selected the table array for this and I will lock the table now. I lock the table with the help of F4 key, function key F4, and then comma, you see here, comma, and then what is it asking? It is asking column index number. Now column index number for commission is 2, so 2, comma, and I want exact value, so 0, and I will complete the VLOOKUP formula. Now second VLOOKUP formula is also completed. Now before we go ahead and say enter, just check again what we have put. We have combined the VLOOKUP inside the VLOOKUP. Why? Because we had employee IDs but we did not have the corresponding employee name, because in the master data only corresponding employee name is there, but that corresponding employee name was there in other database. So we put up the VLOOKUP inside that VLOOKUP to get the corresponding employee name. So we went ahead and taken this as a employee ID as a lookup value to get the to extract the employee name. Then table array, which was used as a sales data in the different database, and we locked it, and column index number was 2 to extract the employee name, comma 0, and completed that particular VLOOKUP formula, this one, that will extract me the employee name for this employee ID. That will be used as lookup value to extract the corresponding commission from this database. So comma, and then I use the table array, that is this one, from where I want to extract the commission, and then I log that table, comma 2, because the commission's column index number is 2, and comma 0 because I want to extract the exact value. So I'll go ahead and press enter and then copy the formula down, control D. Now you can see here this is the employee ID, and for this employee ID the corresponding commission is 3000, but that employee is not here. So I will go here, check the name first. I will search here this employee ID. So this employee is corresponding employee name is Nitin, and what is Nitin's sales commission? That is 3000. So it is 3000. I will search another employee ID, go here, and for that employee ID the employee name is Kavita. I will see the Kavita's corresponding commission. What was that? So I will search Kavita here. I got it, Kavita. It is 2600. So 2600. I'm getting a correct value here. So how did I do that? If I do not have a corresponding unique value which is given to me in the database which I have, but that is there in another database, so I need to combine the VLOOKUP inside the VLOOKUP, that is double VLOOKUP formula. I hope this video was useful to you. You have learned something new from this. So keep on learning, and if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye for now.